Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. If you're searching for the best car dash camera on market, heard the name Rove. Protecting your vehicle, whether it's a small car, SUV, or a massive truck, isn't a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. That's why, after extensive testing, I'm finally ready to give you my full, honest analysis of Rove R2-4k dual dash cam review. Is this really the top dash camera on the market? Let's dive into the details. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. The first thing that makes the Rove R2-4k dual dash cam so unique is the complete package. You don't just get the camera, you get peace of mind right out of the box. Look at this. They include a free 128GB microSD card. No running to the store, which is a huge plus. This is a powerful front and back dash camera system, recording in crisp 4K 2160p front recording and clear 1080p rear recording. The camera unit itself is sleek, coming in a universal black color, with a clear 3-inch IPS screen for easy viewing. While there are no other color or size variants, its compact design, 1.45-inch DX 3.64W, fits perfectly behind your rearview mirror. Now let's talk about the footage. This is what truly makes the Rove R2-4k dash cam a contender for the best 4K dash cam. At its core is the Sony IMX675 sensor, part of the new Starvis 2 generation. This sensor is the engine behind the incredible clarity and super night vision. Paired with a wide f/1.5 aperture on the front lens and high dynamic range, HDR processing, you get clear, Ultra HD video even when facing blinding headlights. It truly acts as a reliable vehicle video recorder and driving recorder. And speaking of reliability, one feature I absolutely love is the supercapacitor dashcam power source. Unlike traditional lithium batteries that can swell or fail in extreme heat or cold, this feature ensures that your camera always saves that last critical file, giving it extended product life. In the past, getting footage off a car dash camera was a nightmare of pulling SD cards. Not here. The Rove R2-4k Dual is a truly modern, wireless dash camera thanks to its 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Rove claims the fastest video download speed, 20 megabytes per second, via their intuitive Rove app setup for iOS/Android, and my tests confirmed it. Downloading a 4K clip is ridiculously fast. Plus, it has built-in GPS. This is vital for any auto accident camera. Not only does it display your live speed and compass display on the 3-inch screen, but the included GPS player software logs precise driving routes and locations, stamping the evidence directly onto your 30 frames per second video files. This takes accountability to the next level. Your protection doesn't stop when you park. The custom-designed 24H parking mode turns this into a full car security camera. With options like time-lapse parking video, motion detection camera recording, and collision detection, it's always on guard. Now, here's a crucial detail. You do need the separate hardware kit for this feature, but the value is immense. If an event occurs, the camera records the file, locks it, and gives you a voice guidance alert when you start your car. This is why it's considered a top-rated car camera. Based on my testing and the thousands of user comments, let's break down the real-world performance in this candid Rove R2-cam review. The pros: unbeatable value. Customers consistently call it an excellent product for the price, especially since it's a best affordable dash camera that includes the high-capacity 128GB microSD card included. Supreme clarity. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor delivers clear video, day and night. Ease of use. Many users, even non-technical ones, found the physical install and the auto-on/off functionality, combined with the intuitive interface and easy installation, to be excellent. Complete kit. Everything you need is in the box, down to the wire trim tool. The cons. App connectivity. While the 5G Wi-Fi is fast, some users, including myself initially, found the initial connection or setup via the Rove app setup a little finicky. Can take a couple of tries to connect. Customer service. This is the biggest warning based on user feedback. Multiple negative reviewers mentioned Rove's customer service being robotic and difficult to deal with, especially when products malfunctioned after the initial return window. So, should you buy the Rove R2-4k dual dash cam? The performance and feature set here, 4K video, Starvis 2, 5G Wi-Fi, and a supercapacitor, put it in the league of the best front and rear dash cam models, often at a better price point than the competition. It packs powerful Rove R2 cam spec and features. Product link and price given on descriptions. Thanks for watching my honest Rove R2-4k dual dash cam review. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more best dash camera review content.